Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube 10KN News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about 11 best Korean drama songs that are complete earworms. Once again, I say welcome back. If I know viewers and all viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me, like and share my video. Looking from the best Korean drama songs to add to your playlist. Korean host can be incredibly catchy with memorable track from a drama like Gobin, Itaewon Class, and more. The best Korean drama songs are often matched by equally talented musician creation. The perfect playlist. What makes these songs stand the rest of time is their ability to evoke nostalgia, thought, memorable tracks in a diverse soundtrack from K-pop, ballad, and enjoy rock. It's a classical scores that these original soundtrack also reflect the wide range of genres and emotion in the dramas they accompany. 11 best Korean drama songs to add to your playlist. Stay with me, EXO and Chenoy and a Goblin. When it comes in a incredible soundtrack, Goblin is a standout. This iconic host is beautiful, created from start to finish. In the series, Kim Shin and Gong Hyo and Portal's Goblin seeks a human try to remove an invisible word for his chest and his life school student Ji Chak. Kim Go Eun eventually reveals that she is the chosen one. Sung by EXO and Chanyeol and a 20 O's from a Goblin is among the most viewed K-drama soundtrack on YouTube, boasting over 450 million views. This song played a crucial role in the series and has since become highly signified to K-drama fans. Its emotion, depth, and memorable melody have cemented its place in the heart of viewers. Stand by Me, Shiny Boys Over Flower. Jung Jan the Ko-hyun son received a scholarship to the electrician high school where she entirely faces filing from Gyu Junpyo, Lee one of the fastest and most popular student. However, Junpyo is Chun Person becomes drawn to her. If you have seen Boys Over Flower, you have likely found you yourself singing along to Shiny Standing By Me. At last, one it's hard to find a more iconic drama song like this series, and the soundtrack is both lavish and deeply emotional. Speed Night by BTS Itaewon Class follows an ex-convict and his friend as they strive to turn their ambitious drama for street but into a reality. The soundtrack adds profound layer and to the show by experience the deep emotion of the beloved and protagonist Park Seo-joon, and despite facing significant challenges and Seo hears his drama of opening his own restaurant while speaking to make amends for past wrong. A standout track from the soundtrack is the Expectations Sweet Night, which perfectly complements the series' emotional depth. It's to by Henry while you were sleeping. Find you were sleeping centuries on three individuals with the power of a precognition who come together to prevent and disaster event and take down a corrupt lawyer. Contrary to their drama title, this is a soundtrack you definitely do not want to miss. Besides featuring performances by the man leads Lee Jong, Suk Asizi, and soundtrack includes notable tracks such as Henry It's You. This melodic song feels like a love letter from the characters to each other, adding charm to their relationships in the show. Rover by Tensium, Our Beloved Summer. Our Beloved Summer tells the story of two former lover who years after their high school documentary goes viral are drawn back each other leaves and bag in front of the camera produced by Nam Hyo Pyong, the Oz Future, a collection from melodic, heartwarming track. Among the standout song is a drop by 10 cm, which offers a comforting cozy feel, much like a warm huge. And with you by BTS Jimin, Hyasung Won, Our Blues. Our Blues explore the bittersweet future, nature for romance, and the high and low of life thought. Multiply intertwined stories set on the vibrant Jeju's Island. Their soundtrack enriched features successful, soulful, and melodies, but one standout is their collaboration that has elevated the music to a classic level. With the feature prominently in the dramas capturing the longing to be close to loved ones. This series itself dissolved into the poignant emotional experience by people at various stages of their lives, whether nearing and reaching a climax or starting anew. Sudden Shore by Bjorn Visiok, Lovely Runner. Lovely Runner is a time-traveling love story featuring I Am Soul, played by Kim Hyo Yeon, who navigates between the past and present alter me, the fear of her trist, Irold Ryun Sunjeo, by Yeon Seok, who had once saved the life with his music and words. The drama perfectly complements. It's a blend of humor, romance, and suspense. On June 5, ENM announced that their pre-order sales from the Lovely Runner OST album had set a new record for the highest number of pre-orders ever achieved by a Korean OST album. Underscoring its remarkable popularity. One standout host from Lovely Runner is Sudden Shower, performed by lead actor Bjorn Bo Seok. The song dedicated to I Am Soul by the director Yo Sunjo and metaphysically explores falling in love amidst in the restaurant Sunjo, who entirely inspired the rain first encounter Soul during a sudden shower and fall from her, instantly marking her as his first love. The song emotionally resonates, made it a significant hit, charting on both Melon and Billboard charts. All About You by Taeyong Hotel Del Luna. Hotel Del Luna follows Chang Man Wu Ayu, the mysterious properties of a experimental hotel who is bound to the establishment due to a grave sin she hears. Go Can, Gu Chan, Search, Jo Ingo, a young man as their manager, introducing him to a mysterious new world. Their soundtrack is filled with standout performance, including Taeyon's and Huntley Beautiful All About You, among other. The Oz album theatrical quality perfectly complements the show experimental themes, offering sense of clam, and confirm that line goes long after the first license. Featured by Ria, Valkyrie startup follows young entrepreneurs as they work tirelessly to turn their tech dreams into reality while navigating the challenges of love and success in a captivated world. If you are searching for a climbing retro inspired song for your drive, Red Velvet Future is a perfect choice. Its electric pop melody sets a relaxing yet exciting mood, and the group rich vocal performance adds to the song and atmosphere. Every Time by EXO, Chin and Punch, Descendants of the Sun tells the story of a soldier in the South Korean Special Forces who fell in love with a talented Shogun. However, their relationship is challenged by their demanding profession, which often keep them apart. In a standout dude. Chin teams up with a Punch deliver a captivating performance. Their harmonious voice beautifully captured the essence of falling in love. Focus on the deep stare to keep a loved one face and close despite the challenge of their separate lives. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.